Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Marq LED TV with the fault sound okay, no picture problem. See friends, while tapping on the TV display you can see the white light is flashing, so this means that backlight is okay. Here the fault is with the display. It's because of any type of internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals from the glass. However, if the shorting is in any one side of the glass panel, then we can repair it by using the temporary short removal method. But if both sides Gatesignals are short, then it's difficult to repair. Anyway, this TV comes with a Samsung HD ready panel with single COF having SM4186 Dc. Here, due to internal shorting, the panel DC goes to protection mode, and because of that it doesn't generate any basic panel voltages. So these are the Gatesignals from right side and left side respectively. So here first we are going to cut down the right side Gatesignals tracks. So let's start the repair. See friends, here we cutted the right side Gatesignals from the panel scaler board. Finally, now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. But always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.